Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over Bowler+Witch+Bats at Town Hall level 11. This is going to expand off of Bowler+Witch or BoWitch at Town Hall level 10. So let's go ahead and get into it. The army for this one is going to be 1 Electro Dragon, 4 Ice Golems, 11 Bowlers, 8 Witch, 1 Minion, 1 Balloon, 1 Archer, your King, Queen, and Warden, 2 Rage, 3 Freeze, 4 Bats, 2 Bats in Clan Castle, 1 Log Roller, 5 Bowlers in your Clan Castle, and 1 Giant in your Clan Castle. Now, the reason we need the bats now is because the bases are getting big enough to where we cannot be 100% sure that our main army will cover all the base, so we're going to use bats for cleanup. Alright, let's go ahead and get into an example. So to funnel for this one, you're going to use your Electro Dragon to funnel one side. And your King to funnel the other. And again, anytime you use bats, make sure you aim to take down anything that's going to do splash damage, which would include Wizard Towers, Multi-Infernos, or the Eagle Artillery. Or if you leave them up, have enough freeze spells where you can freeze them. Alright, after the funnel's made, use the Log Roller to get inside while the Queen distracts, or the King distracts. Then place the Bowlers behind. Place however many Ice Golems you want to use behind, and then place the Witches behind. Now, I use my Warden ability early, just because with all these troops alive, the Warden ability gets more value, and then I can use my Rage after once the troops get into the side. When you deploy the Ice Golems, you might only want to use 2 and not all 4 like I did here, because you can use the Ice Golems to help with your bats. Alright, so here we're starting to have a lot of these Wizard Towers having troops coming after them, so I'm going to start my bats early. Over here, I'm going to have it go through this Wizard Tower, make sure that the bats don't get targeted by any splash. Now again, since many of these Wizard Towers were close to the outside, you can use a leftover Ice Golem to go directly to it and distract it while the bats are going by, and that will save you from having to use a freeze spell. So whether you have an Ice Golem to help distract the Wizard Tower, or you have a freeze, both work. Now, because bats are so fast, if they don't get attacked or defeated by anything like an air bomb, then they are most likely just going to defeat the rest of the base. So the bats are very reliable to use with smash strategies, especially at this town hall. So because of that, your smash's problem of being too slow and not having enough cleanup largely goes away in many of these. Alright, that'll be it for this one.